Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. This is one of my best or favorite hairstyle that I decided to show you guys how to make. Please ignore the way I'm talking through my nose, just ignore it. I'm having cold right now, catarrh. So yeah, let's just proceed. Here is how she corralled the hair for the style I'm going for. First, she just sectioned out where she wants the pattern to be, and then for the pattern is a C pattern, and she also used a tail comb to achieve it. Corralling the front part a little bit big because she wants the front to be kind of a brush so that after everything she can apply gel to it. So yeah, this is a very detailed video that you want to watch from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any part of it. While corralling the hair, she's adding little extensions to the hair so that the hair can be able to withstand pressure of needle and thread. So the reason why the front side is a little bit big is because of the hairstyle I'm going for, and so that I can use gel, like I said before, to lay down the front part and possibly create baby hairs in front of it. She will just continue corralling following the C pattern she created initially, and then for the tips she will just connect all the ends to each other. After corralling this part of the head, she will go ahead to do the same on the other part of the head. For this tutorial, I'm using Ishow hair. I love the hair so much. I already unboxed it in my previous video, but I'm using it again. I've used it before, I'm using it again, but this time around I'm using it without the frontal. So I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below, and also the link to the other video, that's the previous video, in case you want to see how I laid the frontal. So this is their body wave hair in 3 bundles, all in 26 inches, and it's whole true to length. Color is color black, and it's so soft and fluffy, like very fluffy. So yeah, like I said before, I'm going to leave the details of this hair in the description box below. Moving on, for sewing, she's just starting from the back, which is the normal usual way to sew in, and as she's sewing from the left ear to the right ear, or from the right ear to the left ear, depending on how you are seeing it. Okay, most of my videos I do like double the waves because most of them I usually use synthetic hair, but this is a human hair, so she's not doubling the waves. She's just sewing it the way it is so that it won't be too thick while doing the turning over method. If you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button and join the family. Share this video to friends and family if it's helpful, because I know it's helpful. So we'll just allow you to see for yourself.
But I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories.
So if you're a beginner, you are learning how to sew in, you should always have it at the back of your mind that when sewing at the back, you have to sew on a straight line. So when you get to the end of that line, you can flip it to the next line and continue sewing. So while sewing, you have to sew as straight as possible, especially if the style is all back, no pattern. But if the style is like a sided kind of style, so you should try as much as possible to put more hairs on the part where the cornrows are more than the other part. I hope you get it. And as she's sewing, she's not cutting the wefts, she's just doing the turnover method. So when she gets to the end of the line, she just flip it over to the next line and continue sewing. Notice she's trying as much as possible to put more hairs on where the cornrows are more than the other parts where the cornrows are not plenty. So she's trying to make that part a little bit fuller, like pretty fuller than the other parts.
trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes.
So yeah, this is what the middle should look like. On reaching here, she's just starting to sew the hair in a U shape until when the weave-ons get pretty close to each other. I just want to know what you think about this series I've been uploading for the past how many months now. I think it's getting to a year. So I've been uploading this series of how to sew in without a closure and a frontal. So I don't know if it's helpful for you guys, if you are learning one or two from this, because I'm planning on bringing more hairstyles, bringing more topics, including methods that I don't even know how to sew in myself. I'm just laughing at myself. See me looking at the camera just to be sure that the camera is actually focusing on the hair mainly. So please just ignore that. I'd like to see comments and also what you think I haven't touched or filmed about, topic that you think that I have not gone there, like I haven't gone there at all. Please, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a suggestion in the comment section below. Want in a way that we all hairstylists can be enlightened on different hairstyles, because we don't know the kind of client we'll be having in the nearest future. So please leave a suggestion in the comment section below. Thank you.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right.
So she will continue sewing the hair and still doing the turnover method until when the lines or when the waves are pretty close to each other.
Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
So yeah, here is the most important part or the most interesting part of this hairstyle or of this video. She's closing the sew in without a closure or a frontal. Here in this part, as you are doing the round closing method, the first thing to do is just to fold up about 2 to 3 waves in front and then sew it down first, so that there will be more hairs in front, that's more waves in front, weave-ons in front, that will be able to cover up the remaining part of the closing. On reaching this part, since the waves are getting pretty close to each other, so she will just start doing the round closing method. And if you are kind of confused, they are not sure of what the round closing method is, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can go check my previous video that are very much detailed. So what she's doing right now is just to start sewing the weaves round and round and round my head until when there are no more space for her to be able to sew more waves. So we'll just allow you to see for yourself. I see your comments in the comment section. I'll actually know that you watched this video from beginning to the end. So guys, let's do this. Camera went off, so the normal way of doing that is just to sew the weave round the head until there are no more space to be sewed on. After that, we just flip the hair all back and then brush it and straighten the hair a little bit. If you could remember, this hair was actually wavy, so we straightened it with straightener and also hand dryer at the same time. We didn't apply any product to the hair, so yeah. So this is what it should look like at the end of the day. Brush the hair all back and also do apply the necessary products, that is if you want, but for me I didn't apply any product to this hair because it makes the hair last longer. That's what I've noticed. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful, hope you enjoyed. Please go ahead to subscribe if you are just new here, you just watched the first time, you've not seen me before, you've not seen this type of topics before. Just go ahead to subscribe, share to friends and family, give this video a big thumbs up if it's very helpful. I'll talk to you guys in my next